Hi, I'm James Leichter. Thank you for your interest in the Technician's Dictionary. Now, as simple as this thing is, you're probably thinking, I really don't need a video explaining it, but I thought I'd make a video anyway, explaining a few more things about the Technician's Dictionary that may not be so apparent. Obviously, the reason behind the dictionary is to give technicians a list of commonly misspelled words. The reason for that is so that you encourage them to do good paperwork, to write things out. Now, when I was a technician, I was a poor speller, still am, a little better. But I would just skip writing things down. Rather than risk misspelling a word and looking, stupid, I would just skip the word altogether. And that's a shame, too, because I might want to say, I recommend a high efficient furnace. If I can't spell high efficient, then I'm just not going to write anything down. And I think that explains why a lot of people don't have good paperwork, because they're self-conscious about their spelling, maybe their handwriting, and hopefully this will help. By the way, there's one more thing you can do. You can create several paragraphs of common descriptions for repairs and maintenance. So if you're in the HVAC industry, you might write 3 or 4 or 5 sentences, a paragraph explaining a motor replacement, how you found the motor was bad, you replaced a half-horse motor, 10 microfarad capacitor. The technician can always change the microfarads, he can always change the horsepower, the voltage, the direction of the motor, but that way they have something that they can just follow. Hole punch that, put it in a binder. That's where they keep their invoices, etc. And that's a handy place for a technician to go and see how to spell certain words, and also to see these paragraphs explaining common repairs. Plumbers, electricians, you're in the same situation. You want to encourage your people to do good paperwork, so write out descriptions of circuit extensions, drain cleaning, fixing leaks, repairing toilets, things like that. Write those descriptions out. I'm thinking that, say, 15, 20 paragraphs would describe almost everything you do. And also, the technician can simply borrow phraseology, sentences and paragraphs, and piece things together, and that'll really encourage them to do a better job on their paperwork. One last thing, if you notice at the bottom of the page, there's links to download the document. We provided the document in Microsoft Word and as a PDF. The Word document is obviously completely editable. As long as you're not redistributing it, you can do what you want with it, and hopefully you'll find that useful. Thanks for checking out our website.